He's unlocking history each and every day. Won't you come along to Devon with a PJ? He'll make you love, cause that's his way. Won't you come along to Devon with a PJ? Yes, come along to Devon with a PJ.
Right, first coin of the day, I reckon. There. Hopefully. Yeah. It's George. That's nice, Nick, that, isn't it?
Yeah, very nice, I think.
Just see what the date is. 1920. Pleased with that. Not bad, Nick, at all, that.
No, it's in very good condition.
Happy with that. First find today. Job's a good one. And another signal in the hole. It's in there somewhere. There it is.
And the coin, Pete?
Yeah, I can't make it. It's ratty to buggery, that. Can't make that out at all. But it's a coin. It's another coin. Nice one. Right, Kev. Crack your signal. Keep going, pal. Lead.
Yeah, but it's a single purpose lead. Look at it.
Weird that, mate.
That's been made for something, Pete. Definitely.
Something used. Well, you can see the bottom. There's a triangular section out of it.
There's a hole. Looks like there was more or less a way through, doesn't it?
Don't know. Oh,
Yeah.
nice one. Right, we've got nice signal here, 80 odds. Just bear with me. Getting close. There we are. Buckle. Nice little buckle. So far, a couple of Victorian halfpennies, pennies. Kev just pulled out a 1820 silver, probably a sixpence or a shilling, we're not sure yet. George a second. Nice one. I'm happy with that. Well, first of all, on the new permission, brand new one in Yorkshire, and thanks to Yorkie off the forum. Look at that. A good luck charm. Nice little cow. Cut out trench art style. Thanks, Brian. Let's see if the lucky charm's working. We're on a signal here with 82, I think he was. Come on. It's out. It's out. We're in. Brian, you're a star, mate. Not sure what it is yet. The lucky cow. Done it. Can't make that out at all. Bad, Nick. But it's a coin. Job done. And another signal. Second one. Down here. inside out. Oh, bloody hell. Nice one, Penny. Nice buckle. Yeah, happy with that. Signal today. It's that. What the bloody hell's that? Dear oh dear. I don't know. Not Yorkshire gold, is it? Oh well, on to the next. Oh Brian, I think you need to make us another one, mate. This one for some horses, for the lucky charm. Anyway, we've got a nice signal in here. Now the horses have come, the bloody flies have come and all. Come on. There it is. That doesn't look old, does it? Modern 2p. And 1,000 flies, I think I'm off. Well, that's an unusual thing over there. I don't think we can zoom in. They're like tents, but huge. Oh, we had the horses, we've got Indians. Don't know what we're going to get next. Sometimes you look at nature, don't you, and it's a wonderful thing. Beautiful thing. Nice butterfly there. Not a clue what it is, but how beautiful is that? Nice one.